Let's go cooking now at Sand Springs. Today on FYI in your community, we're with Chef Mark once again, and we're making crepes, right?
Yes, we are.
Okay, now is crepes a dessert or is that a dinner?
Well, it could be a dinner, it could be a dessert.
Okay.
So we have two different items we're going to do for you today.
Okay.
We're going to do a manicotti and a dessert crepe. Okay, first of all, I have 1 cup of milk.
Okay. And again, you can use skim milk
Skim
or
milk to
lactate
cut
milk.
down the calories. We have 3 eggs.
Okay.
We have 1 ounce of liquid butter. We have a pinch of salt. And we have 4 ounces of flour. We're going to use a whisk, and we're going to whisk that together. Nice and smooth so it resembles maybe like heavy cream.
Okay.
Our batter. Then we're going to get our pan hot,
Okay.
and we're going to put a little bit of oil just to coat our pan. And we're going to get our pan and make sure that's all coated in our pan. And we're going to get our crepe. The crepe is very thin, so it don't need much batter.
All right.
So we're going to put a little bit of batter in, and we just rotate our pan. So it's all covered.
Again, so the key is you don't want that batter real thick. You want it nice and
Right.
thin. All right. Okay.
Okay, then we cook that on the grill, and what we come up with is a nice thin pancake.
Okay.
Okay, so we're going to take this thin pancake, and we could put any kind of filling, blueberries, if we have some blueberries, like I have some over here.
Okay.
We're going to put some blueberries in there, marinated in some liquor and some white sugar.
Okay.
We're going to tuck our ends in so we don't have a blowout when we bake them in the oven. And we just want to roll that up.
All right. So once your crepe is ready, you put them in the oven?
And we put them in just to warm them up a little bit, and then we put a shot of whipped cream on them and then garnish them with some blueberries. Another way we can do that is get some ricotta cheese and fill them with ricotta cheese and put our special sauce over them and our special cheese, and we could have a nice manicotti.
And you could be creative. You could stuff these with anything you like. Maybe your kids want to help and they want to put some fruit in there, or like you did with the whipped cream. Again, if you want to make it more of a dinner. And there is some information that they could find on your website.
Yeah, check us out at www.sandspringgolf.com, or check us out on Facebook to register for a $50 gift card.
Ooh, all right, and we'll see you next week. Next week, we are making quesadillas, so they should have what items ready?
So we should have a flour tortilla shell.
Okay.
We could get a 6-inch or a 12-inch if you want anything larger, and we get any special kind of cheese or any kind of special ingredient that you want. We're going to do a spinach one next week, so if you want to buy some fresh spinach or some frozen spinach, that will be all right too.
All right, we'll see you next week right here on FYI.